My name is Lindy Snider, and I'm the founder and CEO of Lindi Skin, skincare for cancer patients. I started hearing a lot about marijuana and cannabis, and I started to see that there were products out there. What I didn't see were a lot of products that were consistent, that had science behind them. I became a very active investor, but it took me a while to make my first investment because I didn't know enough. In researching the cannabis space for my company and attending conferences and forums, I became fascinated with the industry overall and really amazed by the innovation. Essentially, I was just swept along in what I thought was the most vibrant industry anywhere. And what I really came to love were the people. The kinds of companies that I look to invest in always starts with the founders, whether they're realistic, whether they have the competency, whether they're giving me BS or not, whether they're doing a sales job or really showing me a true value proposition that they can back up with a plan. I'm talking about looking at a sector that you really don't have any experience in and either getting the experience or pairing with an expert, having an advisor that has nothing to do with the business plan but really understands that product and how that product fits in the market itself. Whether this business has longevity, that's very important to understand how long a life this business may have. If you want to get in the industry as a business owner and you're launching a new business, one of the most common mistakes I see is really not understanding the competition. You might build, let's say, an app and not look at competition that's not just within the industry but outside the industry. And there's apps out there that could immediately deploy into the cannabis space that are currently not in it. And I see a lot of startups in cannabis not look at non-cannabis businesses as potential competition. That's one of the most common mistakes that I see. The lightning pace of innovation is very difficult to keep up with. You may find technologies being developed or emerging in a state that's not even legal, but they're going to deploy that in a state that is legal. So I don't feel that you have to think about geographic boundaries unless you're talking about growing and processing, et cetera, where it's legal. Other than that, there's no limits.